Hello and welcome to Syed Raza Tech Craft. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit, how to format these shapes in Microsoft PowerPoint on an advanced level. I have seen so many times that they don't even know how to get these advanced options on the right hand side and how to actually use these. So I'll explain everything step by step. So let's see. First of all, if I want to insert any shape in this slide, I'll go on top left hand corner from the insert menu. I'll go into the shapes and here I can select any shape. That's fine. Let's say I just want to add this shape to my slide. That's fine. Now once you have edited this shape into your slide, here on the home tab on top you will see a few options to edit it. These are good options. There is nothing wrong with these, but these are very limited options, and I've seen so many people, they only use these options and then they say they don't actually understand the complete power of this PowerPoint features. So let's say I want to change the color of this shape. I can just choose any color from here. These are the standard options here. Then I can select more colors, and there are other options in here as well. Like I can do any of these variations here, dark variation, light variations. And the second option is shape outline. So from here you can see when I press the drop down, I can see a very similar options here. It's nothing much different, or maybe it is exactly the same. The third one is a shape effect. So here I can select the shadow for my shape. I can have any different type of shadows here. There's other options here. So, and there's one more thing just coming to my mind as well here. If you select one of these options, it gives you the option of weight as well. So let's say if I want to make the border thick for this shape, here I can see the standard option is it goes only until 6. So these are the limitations of any option you choose. It's got some few of the options are available there, but it's not the comprehensive formatting options for this. So in order to get to the advanced option, you need to right click on it and select format shape. Once you select this format shape, now you can see on the right hand side it gives you so many different options, so many advanced options to edit this shape. Let's say if I want to make some changes here, see, anything I press here, then it gives me more options to edit or to play around with that same option. So here, as let's see, if I want to, let's say I want to go into the shadows, and from here if I can just choose any shadow for this shape. These are the basic ones, but here you can see on these advanced options I can do so many different things with this shadow. I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller, you can make it blur as well, there's a distance as well. There's so many different options. You need to play around with this, but this is the way actually how to edit these shapes into a very advanced format. So I hope I made my point clear here. So thank you for watching, and I hope that helps. I'll see you in the next tutorial with some more useful tips. Please like and subscribe if you like this useful tutorial for today. Thank you for watching.